Hi, my name is Pavani. I am studying in 9th class to ZPHS Palakurthhy.
Hi, my name is Amsha. I am studying 9th class in ZPHS PALAKURTHY.
Project title Joystick Controlled Robot Car. Material required Arduino Uno, motor driver, 4 wheels, battery pack, jumper wires, joystick. Connection Power supply, joystick to DC motor, Arduino Uno to motor driver to robot
Robot body. Wheels to Arduino.
objective. The objective of this project is to design and develop a robot car that can be controlled using a joystick. The project aims to demonstrate the integration of basic robotic systems with manual controls to allow for easy maneuverability by using a joystick interface. This robot car can be steered and controlled in real time, making it a suitable solution for various applications such as remote operation in hazardous environments or entertainment purposes. Working principle. The joystick controlled robot car works by using the joystick as a manual input device which sends control signals to an Arduino microcontroller. The Arduino then processes these signals and commands the motor through a motor driver to move the robot car in the desired direction. Joystick input, motor control, feedback to the user.
Forward, backward, right, left, forward, forward, backward, forward, backward, left, right. Advantages: simple and interactive control. The joystick provides an intuitive and easy to use method of controlling the robot. Real-time feedback. The robot car can respond immediately to the joystick movements, giving the user precise control. Flexible design. The design can be easily modified to add more functionality.
Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity and project. I am so happy to work this project and
Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity.